Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this pre-owned 2018 Chevy Equinox Premier all-wheel drive with the 1.6 liter turbo diesel engine. That's right, this does have the turbo diesel. Absolutely incredible fuel economy out of this 5-passenger Equinox. So I mean, if you're looking for good fuel economy, which everybody is nowadays, this is a fantastic choice for you. This has just over 127,000 kilometers, is a certified pre-owned vehicle, and has lots of maintenance records on file as well. Now we're going to take you on a tour of the condition and the features, starting off with underneath the hood. We have that 1.6 liter inline 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. You can expect to get fuel economy into the low 7 liters per 100 kilometers combined fuel economy. That is fantastic. That's like Honda Civic fuel economy out of this nice 5-passenger family SUV. You can see from the side profile, big back doors, easy to get into. We've got the aluminum roof rails up top. Up front, we've got these really nice looking 18-inch alloy wheels. These look really cool. They're almost like, they're not chrome, but they're definitely like a polished aluminum wheel, so I love that. Equinox badge in the door. We have chrome mirror caps, LED turn signals. We got a little bit of chrome on the door handles, and then those roof rails up top. Now you can go and put some crossbars up there if you like, so that way you can mount stuff up on the roof. Coming around to the back, really nice looking trunk lid. And then of course we have the Equinox TD turbo diesel badge and the all-wheel drive Premier badge as well. Now popping open our power trunk, you can see there's lots of room back here for cargo, for your kids' sporting gear, going Costco, going to IKEA. Lots of room back here for all of that fun. And then of course you can fold down those rear seats if you need to, in case you go and maybe get yourself a bookshelf from IKEA or something like that. No problem, it will all fit. Now coming around the passenger side, talk about the certified pre-owned programs. You're going to get a 150-point inspection on this vehicle. You have 3 months or 5,000 kilometers of limited comprehensive warranty, and you have 30 days or 2,500 kilometer exchange privilege as well. Now up front, we've got LED daytime running lights, HID headlights, and then driving lights down below, and a nice chrome front grille with that gold Chevy bow tie. Now let's go take a look inside. So with the purchase of this Equinox, you're going to get 5 free oil changes from us here at OMS, just as a nice way of saying thank you for doing business with us. Inside the back, we have this nice leather seating on the Premier model, reclining rear seats, a nice big center armrest in the center there. And then we also have USB ports, a 12-volt port, and a regular home outlet down below. So lots of ways for everybody to stay plugged in. Nobody has to share any cords in the back. Did I say 4 free oil changes? I hope I said 4, but it's 4 free oil changes, just in case I made a mistake there. Now up front, again, this beautiful leather seating in here. This is a non-smoker vehicle. We have a power driver seat with power lumbar support, which is hooked up to a 2-driver memory system with the easy entry exit assist as well. Now hopping in, so have a look around. Nicely laid out interior, nice soft touch materials. Love the kind of orange contrast stitching on the dash. All right.